Hello, today we're exploring the top 8 most visited national parks in the United States. I'm Winston Hartley. Over the past 30 years I've traveled all about the globe, and I'm excited for you to join me as we embark on a journey across America, venturing into the heart of these iconic parks. Our first stop takes us to the misty peaks and verdant valleys of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, straddling the border between Tennessee and North Carolina. Wander through ancient forests adorned with vibrant wildflowers where black bears lumber through the undergrowth and salamanders patrol the cool, damp forest floor. Ascend to the park's higher elevations for breathtaking panoramic views of the Smokies' timeless beauty. The park is home to a diverse range of flora, including rhododendrons and mountain laurels. Fauna such as white-tailed deer and over 200 species of birds can be spotted. Popular hiking trails like the Appalachian Trail and Alum Cave Trail offer unforgettable experiences. Our journey now takes us westward to Arizona, where the Grand Teton National Park unveils a spectacle of geological grandeur. Gazing out over the canyon's rim, one is struck by the sheer immensity of the vista, with colorful rock strata painting a vivid picture of geological history. The canyon's walls reveal ancient rock formations like the Vishnu Schist, dating back nearly 2 billion years. John Wesley Powell's daring 1869 expedition was the first to navigate the Colorado River through the canyon. As the sun dips below the horizon, the rocks glow with an almost ethereal light, a truly unforgettable spectacle. Our exploration now leads us to Utah's Zion National Park, a realm of towering sandstone cliffs and emerald pools and narrow canyons carved by the Virgin River. Hike beneath the watchful gaze of the towering monoliths, their sheer vertical faces etched with intricate patterns by wind and water. Explore the lush greenery of the emerald pools, where waterfalls cascade over moss-covered rocks, creating a symphony of sound. Zion is also renowned for its unique rock formations, such as the Checkerboard Mesa and the Great White Throne. Popular activities include canyoneering, rock climbing, and the famous Angel's Landing hike, offering breathtaking views of the park. We venture north now to Yellowstone National Park, a land of simmering geysers, vibrant hot springs, and untamed wilderness. Witness the awe-inspiring power of Old Faithful as it erupts in a towering plume of steam and boiling water. Marvel at the Grand Prismatic Spring, the largest hot spring in the United States, with its vivid rainbow colors. Keep a watchful eye out for the park's iconic wildlife bison herds roaming free, majestic elk bugling through the forests, and perhaps even a glimpse of an elusive wolf pack. Yellowstone is home to the largest concentration of mammals in the lower 48 states. Don't forget the grizzly bears, often seen fishing in the park's rivers and streams. Our next destination takes us to the heart of the Rockies, to Colorado's Rocky Mountain National Park. Ascend to the park's higher elevations where jagged peaks pierce the clouds and marmots whistle amongst the rocks. Here above the tree line you'll find a landscape of stark beauty, where wildflowers paint the meadows in a riot of color. The park boasts diverse ecosystems, from lush forests to alpine tundra. Popular hiking routes include the Bear Lake Trail and the challenging Longs Peak Trail. Our journey continues westward to California's Yosemite National Park, a land of towering granite cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and ancient sequoia groves. Established in 1890, Yosemite has a rich history as one of the first national parks in the United States. Stand in awe before El Capitan, its sheer granite face a challenge for the world's most daring climbers. Did you know that El Capitan is one of the largest exposed granite monoliths in the world? Wander amongst the giant sequoias of Mariposa Grove, their massive trunks reaching for the heavens. These ancient trees have stood for thousands of years, witnessing the passage of time and the evolution of the landscape around them. Our journey now takes us eastward, to the rugged coast of Maine, where Acadia National Park offers a unique blend of mountain and ocean scenery. Climb to the summit of Cadillac Mountain, the highest point on the eastern seaboard, for breathtaking sunrise views over the Atlantic. Explore the park's tranquil lakes and ponds, their still waters reflecting the surrounding forests and mountains. Visit Sand Beach, a popular spot for sunbathing and swimming, and experience the dramatic Thunder Hole, where waves crash into a narrow inlet. Kayaking along the rugged coastline is a favorite activity for many visitors. Our final stop takes us back to Wyoming, to Grand Teton National Park, where the jagged peaks of the Teton Range rise abruptly from the valley floor. Hike through fields of wildflowers, their vibrant colors a stark contrast against the towering granite peaks. And as the sun sets behind the Teton Range, casting the peaks in a golden glow, you'll understand why this place holds such a powerful allure. The park is also home to diverse wildlife, including moose, elk, and grizzly bears. Established in 1929, Grand Teton National Park preserves the history of early explorers and Native American tribes. This blend of natural beauty and rich history makes it a must-visit destination. And there you have it, the top 8 most visited national parks in the United States. From the misty peaks of the Great Smoky Mountains, known for its diverse wildlife and ancient mountains, to the rugged coastline of Acadia, where you can explore rocky shores and scenic drives, these protected landscapes offer a glimpse into the awe-inspiring diversity of the natural world. Whether you seek adventure, solitude, or simply a chance to reconnect with nature, these national parks offer something for everyone. Here are some tips for planning your visit. Plan ahead and make reservations early. Pack appropriately for the weather and always follow leave no trace principles. So grab your passport, pack your bags, and we'll see you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please like and subscribe to explore more beautiful destinations.